When I received salary on this app, I was shocked. I don't even know that I can get paid using this application. Guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I withdraw on this app with my local currency. Okay, this app pays worldwide. Like now, I know that this money that I withdraw on this app might be too small for you. But trust me, any app that even give you any amount, just thank God that you withdraw on that particular app. I'm going to be showing you how I withdraw on this app and how I earn the one that I withdraw. Okay, on this app you can go to Play Store and search for Hi Farm app. Okay, this app is available worldwide and this app can actually pay you in your local currency. I was surprised when I received my withdrawal, like my first withdrawal on this app. I was shocked. It have been long and loaded this app, but I have not been interested going there. Like I just I just do small tax there and come out. But trust me, I wasn't even concentrating on this app at all until today. Okay, today it was okay. Let me just give this app a try again
Okay,
and even know if I can withdraw some of my money on this app. I know that the money was small, which I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm also going to be sharing with you the receipt that I used to receive this money. Okay, I'm not joking. Okay, in this particular video I'm going to be making now, I'm going to make sure I make everything properly so that you can actually understand. If you have this app, maybe you abandoned it, I beg, go ahead and uninstall it again and give it a try, because this is what I did that works for me. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only, not a financial advice. And this video you're watching now, it is not a financial advice. You are free to do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in any live streaming app mentioned on this video. And always know that results may vary, okay, depend on your activities on the app. Okay, so now I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do your tax on this app. What I did that make me to earn the one that I earn on it. I know that this amount I'm going to be showing you that I will do on this app is going to be small for some people, but it is not actually small for me. Any amount that I withdraw, I should thank God that I didn't even spend any money and I withdraw this. As you can see, weekly reward, which I've received it already. As you can see, for you to make, like, for you to earn the amount of money you want to earn here, you need to recharge. Okay, let me just break this down. You need to go ahead and recharge. The only thing I like about this app is that their recharging is not that much. You can recharge 700 naira. You can recharge anything. Okay, that's the only thing I like about the coin is not that high for me. It is not that high like if you want to buy you, but it is not must. Okay, that's why I put it this way. It is not that high for me, but for you, maybe you don't like spending, you can leave it and do it according to your how your hand reach. Okay, now this is the daily tax which you can actually do it. Okay, so this one is that weekly sign in. Okay, all you need to do is for you to keep on, as you can see, sign in 4 days time. Okay, so we need to go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to receive all these things. As you can see, harvest in farm for 15 minutes. Like you see me staying on that farm is for me to just complete 5 minutes there and come here and receive the reward. That is the reason why I'm on that seat. And this is the how I was able to earn the one that I withdraw on this app. Okay, which I'm going to be showing you guys how I withdraw the small amounts I withdraw on this app. Okay, now you can see earn. Okay, on this earn is going to automatically take me to this place where I'm going to be cultivating. I need to go ahead and collect, as you can see, level up. They're telling me that I have level up on it, so I need to go ahead and click on it. Okay, it already give me the reward which they level me up to 88 cents. Okay, this is what I've earned on red pocket, which I can withdraw, which I'm going to be showing you the amount that require for you to earn on the red pocket before you can click on withdraw option. Because this place, this red pocket, you need to reach the minimum amount that's required for you to withdraw. Now let me go to the red pocket option. As you can see, red pocket, you can see withdraw. Okay, so now you need to see the minimum amount that is required for you to withdraw here. You can see that the amount that required for you to withdraw here is $10. Okay, and you can actually exchange. But the only thing, if you like to exchange, you're fine. If you don't like to exchange, you're fine. Okay, but for me, I don't really like exchanging my coin in any app, especially my points. Actually, anytime I complete my minimum of withdrawing, I always make sure I withdraw it. I don't like exchanging anything called points in any app, no matter anything. So, but if you like, you can actually go ahead. I'm just saying, okay. So you can see that you can actually invite friends and earn reward. All you need to do for you to click on the invite button and then click and um send it to your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook. Just share your link on social media. Once your friends are able to earn a reward on this app. Okay, you can see people are inviting me to join their room. So I don't want to go to any room. I just want to stay there to keep on performing my tasks on this red pocket option. Though I haven't recharged anything yet. Okay, so let me just show you how I withdraw this app. Okay, step by step, how I withdraw the one that I withdraw. I know that this amount might be too small for a lot of people, but trust me, this amount of money that I receive on this app actually motivates me to know if I can actually buy coins on this app. Seriously, because I have been thinking that maybe this app is not serious app. Maybe I was thinking like you have been like since last year I downloaded this app and I'm not even interested. Since today I started to so okay, make I just go this app and know if I can actually perform some tasks and imagine I withdraw some naira on this
Yes.
app successfully. This thing did take time. Oh. It doesn't take time. Let me show you how I withdraw here without wasting much of your
On.
time. Let's go. All you need to do is for you to click on your profile picture. Okay. If you click on your profile picture, you're going to see the interface. This is how my interface look like. You can see earning, you can see coins, you can see earning. Okay, I earn 200 diamond and I'm going to be using my local bank to withdraw, which I'm going to be using OPay. Okay, I need to go ahead and as you can see, payment method OPay, and I'm going to put my OPay account. Okay, I'm actually going to go ahead and put my OPay account. Then I'm going to click as you can see, please confirm your withdrawal account information. Then I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. As you can see, I read and agree. But if you want to check if it is good, then you need to go ahead and click on check. Okay. So now I have withdraw. I have confirmed and I have withdraw my diamond, and you can see withdrawal processing. You can see 10 0.10 cents. Okay, it will arrive in 7 business days. Okay, it's okay. Let me just keep on waiting. I just came back and keep on searching. So, and maybe you don't know how to withdraw. This is how you can withdraw this app. Okay, and you can see after I withdraw 0.10 cents, as you can before I can withdraw another one, I need to reach up to $1. That is 2,000 diamond before I can proceed in next payment. Now I have got to my OP account and notice that the money have arrived. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Bye.